Hello guys, here is a tutorial on how to change the valve cover gasket or the rocker cover gasket. First, let's remove the air filter housing. Just remove the two 10mm bolts located here. Now just pull out this little plastic handle to release this spring. The filter housing is now loose. Push it up a little bit and remove the small black hose under the filter housing. Now we will need to remove the connector of this sensor. Just press down and pull out. Remove this 10mm bolt over here. And this 10mm bolt here behind too. These two bolts are from the timing belt cover, and they need to be removed that you can pull out the valve cover. Now pull up this black plastic with electric cables inside. And bind it a rope to the car hood, so that you can pull the black plastic up to get more free space to work. Yeah, just like this. Much more easy to work now. Now remove this rubber black hose. And remove the oil filler cap. Now we have four 10mm bolts to unscrew. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now remove the rocker cover. It should go out very easy. Now just grab some rag and clean very good the border where the gasket will sit. Grab some spatula and scrape very gentle this four corners. Be sure that they get very clean, because it's here where you want the silicone to grab. And scrape all around very gentle too. You want all the surface where the gasket will sit to be very clean. Next, apply some brake cleaner on a rag and clean very good all around. You need to remove all the oil from there. And take special attention to the four corners. Now it's time to remove the old gasket from the rocket cover. Clean the rocket cover all around very good, with the brake cleaner and a rag. Again, make sure you remove all the oil and dirt. Now with the 2000 grit sandpaper, sand this four places where the bolts will screw. This procedure will help the cover to sit better when you tighten the bolts. Now change your dirty gloves, or wash your hands very good to remove all the oil residues. With big patience and very carefully, insert the new gasket in the valve's cover. Start in one place and work all around. Make sure that the gasket sits nice and fit all around. Here is how it looks when the gasket is in place. Now grab the silicone gasket and put 4 pea-sized drops on the 4 corners, just like this. After the 4 corners are done, put a tiny quart of silicone all around where the gasket will sit. Remember, do not put much silicone or the silicone can drip on the engine. This is how it should look like after you finished putting the silicone all around.
Now just put the valves cover, but make sure that you succeed to put it on your first attempt. Put the screws back and tighten them. Make sure not to make much power, or you can destroy the thread of the motor head. Use a crisscross pattern to tighten them. Now connect the sensor plug. Remove this rope and connect back the black plastic clips. Tighten back the timing belt cover screws. One here. Another one here. Put the black hose back on the place. Put the cover of the oil Phillip hole back. Now place the air filter housing on place. Make sure the black hose stay well connected to the housing. To finish, just put back the screws of the air filter housing. 1 and 2. And it's done. The final step is to put the spring back in place. Don't forget to let the silicone dry for 12 hours before you start the engine. And that's it, guys. Hope this video can help you to fix your leaking valve gasket. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.